what I'm working on here is putting a bed mat down, and what they have is a part number on the back. You can look up the instructions on that on their website. It comes with a little adhesion promoter. We're going to clean off where we're going to put our Velcro. We're going to stick our Velcro on there. There's 7 that go on this side and 7 on this side, and it corresponds with the Velcro over here. So it's notched out here where it has the latch, so we'll go ahead and line that up, and this surface area here is where we're going to put our things. So we'll go ahead and take our cleaner and then clean the surface of the paint. Okay, we have our Velcro here. It is self-adhesive. Go ahead and place that on there. Now that I have these 7 on here, I'm going to go ahead, lay our mat down, and I'm going to push the Velcro on there, then fold it back, and then do the other side. Okay, got all those down there. Roll this back. They're all set. Nice, good cushion for your knees.